I found a Mickey base planter at Dollar General and got a crafty idea. Okay, what I want to do is make a Mickey Mouse topiary head, and I want to use this foam globe ball I found at Dollar Tree and these table tennis balls as the ears. And I think maybe if I add my reindeer moss first, and then once everything is dry, glue the ears on, it'll work better because I don't want these to fall off. But I think that'll be cute because I really want a three-dimensional look rather than just using a cardboard cutout stencil. So I think I'll just mark where the ears would go. Probably like okay, I like the way that looks. I'm gonna repeat the same step for this one, and then I'll move on to adding the reindeer moss to the globe. The hot glue seems to work a lot better than the Mod Podge, so I'll just continue with the hot glue. But I do like the way that looks for the ears. Okay, about halfway done. I really like the way it's looking. This moss is giving really good coverage, so I'll continue to this side and then move on to attaching the ears. Okay, I think I'm gonna add a bit of Spanish moss around the base. I love the way it's looking so far. And maybe a bit of moss stone, or maybe some small Easter eggs, I don't know. We'll see how it looks with the moss stone, but I really like this topiary, and I think maybe I should add a bit of fairy lights going around the head. I think that'll really give it the look of the nice topiaries they have at the Magic Kingdom. You know what? I like this natural look of the moss stones. Oh, I love it. I love it. It's really cute. But I want to see how it looks with these copper fairy lights. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap these around the head and see how it looks.